from the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
All right, we have to talk. And you can file this under WTF. Remember the Hakan Pop Killer from the Pop Filter Challenge? People poop at parties. This thing sounds amazing, right? It's $100. One of the best pop filters you can get out there. Okay? Now, a comment from Daniel made me examine something. Hakan Pop Killer, $1's worth of aquarium fish foam on Amazon. Look at this, side by side. Look at that. Here, I have some close-up pictures for you to look at. Check this out. It's the same damn material. It is. People poop at parties. People poop at parties. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. It's the same material. Hakan. And if you look at their marketing copy, right, it says that it didn't say they created this foam, right? You almost think that it implies that this is some kind of special thing that was created, but it's something that they say they discovered, right? And they say it's hydrophobic, right? Which means it repels water, like a fish filter foam should, right? So it's hydrophobic, which means if you introduce it to water, it runs away. So it's scared of water. This and this, same damn thing. So you're paying $100 for this plus the frame. You could buy $1's worth of fish foam. Check this out, look. People poop at parties. Hello, hello. Big pig. Big pig. People poop at parties. Same damn thing. This is crazy. This really drives me nuts. And you know what you could even do? You could even, hold on, if you wanted to, you could buy a cheap like $12 pop filter and just cut this, tear out the nylon in it, cut this to fit in here. People poop at parties. Hello, hello. Yeah, it's a little big, but guess what? It does the same thing. And it probably costs about $13 to manufacture yourself, to DIY it. I have to apologize to everyone out there who I've recommended the Hakan Pop Killer to. So many people. Chris Barron of the Spin Doctors, he asked me what pop filter to get, right? I sold him this microphone. He's like, hey, what pop filter should I get with this? I'm like, oh, Hakan Pop Killer. Hakan Pop Killer is the best pop filter ever. You should buy this thing. Are you kidding me? I'm not going to go so far and say that they did anything greasy with this. But, yeah, I'm not going to recommend anyone buy the Hakan Pop Killer anymore. Unless you really want one that's already built. I say just buy the aquarium fish foam. You can, figure it out for yourself. Because a lot of times, too, when you use a pop filter, you may not want it in there all the time. You know what I'm saying? It's like you're talking and it's like, okay, so it's like, let's say I'm talking about the history of Pretty Boy Floyd, right? So I just need to just kill the pops when I hit the P's and the B's. So it's like the history of Pretty Boy Floyd, right? You could just do this. Or you know what else you can do when you need a pop filter and you don't have one? Use your finger, right? Peter Piper packed a peck. Peter Piper packed a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper packed a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper. It works. It just deflects the plosive energy away from the capsule. So Peter Piper packed a peck of pickled peppers. So a long time ago, there was a guy named Peter Piper. And what? So, yeah, Hakan Pop Killer. Come on. Hakan Pop Killer is just $1 aquarium fish foam. I'm pretty sure. I'm not going to say it definitely is because I don't want Hakan to come after me. But Hakan, this is what you're using. Look, it's the same width. Look at that. It's the same exact stuff. Hakan Pop Killer. Right? What do you think? All right, leave a comment. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.